Good morning, student. In last lecture, we have seen refraction, molar refraction, and atomic refraction equivalent. In today's lecture, we will see the dipole moment and molecular structure. How dipole moment is used to determine molecular structure. The first is electrical polarization of molecule. So, what is polarization? Polarization means there is a unequal distribution of electrons or molecules. Okay, so we all of you know that molecules are composed of positive charge nuclei and negatively charged electrons. The structural arrangement of this nuclei and electrons is different in different molecule. It is possible that the center of gravity of the positive nuclei may or may not be coincide with the center of gravity of negative or the electrons, and if the center of gravity of molecule positively charged nuclei if coincide with negatively charged atoms, it will be a non-polar molecules. And the non-polar molecules, like if if we consider this is the positively charged nuclei and this is a negatively charged nuclei, if these two circle, if they are coincide with each other like this, then this will be a non-polar molecule. All of you know that the non-polar molecules, the examples are H2, Cl2, N2, CO2, CH4, benzene, etc. Okay, these are the examples of non-polar molecule. But there are other molecules like HCl, CH3Cl, or chloroform, water, NH3. These in these molecules, okay, we'll write the example: HCl, CH3, Cl, CHCl3, C6, H5NO2, and N2, ammonia, and water. In this molecule, the center of gravity of positive nuclei and the electrons do not coincide with each other, and this type of molecule is also known as, also not, this is called as polar molecules. So, and this polarity of molecules based on the electronegativity difference of constituent atoms. We'll see one example like HCl. So in this the electrical HCl, in this the electrical charge distribution is unsymmetrical because chlorine is more electronegative than hydrogen, and the electron pair lies closer to the chlorine molecule due to the high electronegativity of chlorine atom. So HCl. So due to this, due to unequal distribution of electrons or charges, it will get delta negative and it will get a delta positive, and the bond between these two is called as polar covalent bond. Okay, polar covalent bond. But so what is the dipole moment? Since the molecule it does not show the hydrogen is positive and chlorine is negative, it shows a whole electronically neutral molecule. So the total positive charge, that is center of positive charges, and the charge at negative charges would be Q minus. Like if HCl, there will be Q plus, there will be Q minus, and these two charges are separated by some distance, and some distance is called is L in a polar molecule. And in polar molecule, it possesses permanent electrical movement called dipole moment, and dipole moment is denoted by mu, and it is given by mu is equal to q, the charges, into distance L. So the definition of dipole moment will be, it defined as the vector equal in magnitude to the product of electrical charge q and distance L having direction of the line joining of the positive and negative centers. Okay, vector equivalent equal in magnitude. Okay, if suppose it's h and it's L, q plus q minus, and the distance between these two is L, and this will be L. In non-polar molecule, dipole moment is 0. This is because in non-polar molecule dipole moment is 0. This is because of that, because distance between these two atoms, because they are coincide with each other, so the distance L equal to 0, so mu equal to 0. We all of you know that the charge of electron is 4.77 into 10 to minus 10 ESU, electron per second unit. Okay, and the distance between the line or the centers in the order of 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. So what is the unit of mu? That is dipole moment will be d by unit, d by unit, and it is in the order of 10 raised to minus 18 ESU. Okay, so 1 d by equal to 10 raised to minus 18 ESU centimeter. This is the unit, and this is the what is. I hope you will get the difference between polar and non-polar molecule. So what is polar molecule? There should be a difference between electronegativity of two atoms like HCl, CH3Cl, water. In water, hydrogen is a electropositive ion, and oxygen is a electronegative ion. In NH3, N has a more electronegative than hydrogen. In case of C6H5NO2, that is nitrobenzene. In this case also, nitrogen having more electronegative than the benzene. And the non-polar molecule will be H2Cl2. There is no difference between electronegative, so their center of gravity coincide with each other. I hope you understand. Thank you.